Never miss a bite again. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Outdoor Essentials HQ, the place where we test the gear you actually want to use. Today, we're diving into a fishing rod that claims to be the ultimate travel-ready, bite-sensing, all-in-one setup, the Ghosthorn Silver Blade. And trust me, this thing surprised me. If you've ever missed a strike because your rod felt like a broomstick, or you've lugged around way too much gear just to fish for an hour, this kit might be the answer. It's built for beginners, weekend warriors, and even seasoned anglers who want something compact without sacrificing performance. Let's break it down. First up, strength. The Silver Blade is built with 30-ton carbon fiber, which is wild at this price point. It gives you a rod that is lightweight but still able to handle up to 6 pounds of drag. You can feel the backbone immediately. It's not flimsy, it's not whippy, it's just balanced. The handle uses soft EVA material, which is sweat-resistant and honestly feels better than some rods double the price. If you're out in the heat or gripping hard during a fight, this matters. And yes, the whole thing is telescopic, which means it collapses down small enough to throw in a backpack, glove box, or travel bag. No more awkwardly walking through a parking lot with a full-length rod over your shoulder. Now let's talk sensitivity, because this is where the Silver Blade really shines. Ghosthorn uses high-sensitive ceramic guide rings, and these do two things extremely well. They reduce heat from casting friction, and they transfer vibration straight into your hand. That means when a fish even taps your lure, you feel it. Every bump, every nibble, every strike, it all comes through clean. If you've ever fished with cheap metal guides, you know how big of an upgrade this is. This rod genuinely makes fishing easier and more effortless, especially for beginners who are still learning what a bite feels like. Alright, let's talk about the reel, because a good rod is useless without a solid reel to match it. This combo includes a 6-to-1 ball-bearing spinning reel with an interchangeable handle and an ergonomic knob. It feels smooth, controlled, and responsive. The stainless shaft and powerful washers give it zero back play, which is huge when you're setting the hook. The reel seat is tight and accurate, so the reel doesn't wiggle or shift. And the whole combo is coated with waterproof material, making it safe for both freshwater and saltwater. Saltwater safe at this price. That's a win. This might be my favorite part, the grab-and-go bag. Everything, and I mean everything, fits inside one compact carrier. The rod, the reel, fishing line, a full tackle lure box, and extra gear. If you're someone who likes spontaneous fishing trips, this is a dream. Toss it in your car, take it on a hike, bring it on vacation, it's ready whenever you are. Inside the kit you also get a surprisingly solid lure box, including 1 hard knocker, 5 soft lures, 1 minnow, 5 ball-style rigs, 2 metal vibs and connectors. These aren't throwaway lures either. They're legit options for freshwater and saltwater. Perfect for catching perch, mandarin fish, redtail, red-eye, and more. For beginners, this is everything you need to start catching fish immediately. For experienced anglers, it's a ready-to-go backup kit that actually performs. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope this video helped you out. If you want to dive deeper into the specs, check out that link below or copy and paste it. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love. It's right over here in the corner. I love hearing from you guys, so drop a comment and let's chat. If you could take this grab-and-go kit anywhere in the world, where are we casting first? Drop a comment on where. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.